Okay, so all that work I did on Saturday trying to protect the hive, wasn't too good. I thought I was doing good. Problem was, I think the queen did not enjoy the hive that I put it in. I did put it into a 4-frame nuke, which may have been a mistake. Because yesterday when I got back to the hives, there was no action in the front. When there's no action, that's bad stuff. So anyway, in the meantime, I ordered 2 new mated queens, so that way we could rescue the other 2 hives. But at no point in time did I think the hive that I thought I was saving would have left, especially in August, mid to late August at that. I thought they'd at least hang around where they could have some stores and comb, and yeah, they didn't do that. So anyway, it's gone. Lost a hive mid-August, and there's really nothing I can do. So anyway, lesson learned. Probably not a good idea to put them in a 4-frame nuke. I thought I'd be taking the stress off of them by reducing the amount of space that they needed, but apparently that didn't work. They hung around for a day, I know. So I checked them the very next day and they were still there. I guess they just got mad and said, "Forget y'all, we're gone." So anyway, that was one of the queens that I raised from the original, and I marked her because I saw her markings. In fact, I think she was the first one that I marked, so I'm a little disappointed about that. One of the hives that I'm having to replace, or rather one of the queens that I'm having to replace, was one of the ones with the original queen with the white dot. So that's last year's queen. So I think she just either got killed or died out or something. I'm not really sure, or maybe she left, or I don't know. But I've got 2 queens coming in. They're Alabama Italians. I'm getting them from Rock Creek Apiaries, or Rock Creek Bees. I think they're out of Bessemer, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. And they're coming in to the post office this afternoon. So I'll be picking those up and installing them tonight, this afternoon. And hopefully I can go into the winter with, I guess, 6 hives. So my goal to go from 1 to 20 was a little ambitious, I know. Just didn't happen. So 1 to 6, I can live with it, I guess. I'll have to. And then hopefully they'll overwinter. It'd be real nice if I had a 100% success rate over winter. I'm not feeling that I will, just because of my success rate so far. And if I can at least have 10 or 11 hives that I can, or rather have 5 hives come out of winter, we'll split that. We'll split those hives. Hopefully we can get 10, and maybe split them again, and possibly get 20, 15 to 20 before the honey flow starts, and then we can have some honey sales. I have learned one thing, and that is I need to keep my queen castle full, and that is constantly try to make queens to keep in the queen castle in case of emergencies such as what I'm having to do right now, so I don't have to buy queens next year. And if I have any extras left over, then I could sell those for those folks who need an emergency queen this late in the year. So I'm probably going to need to buy, either build me a new queen castle, the three-way mating castle kind of thing, and that'll give me 2, which will have 6 slots to rear queens. Alright, so got the queens. They came in the mail, got a call from the post office, and I went and picked up the 2 queens. I got them in my pocket right now. They look pretty good. Getting ready to go ahead and get them installed today if I can, and get them in the hives as quick as possible. They look good, so I kind of give you an update on that. Got the queens from the post office. Here's what they look like. Look pretty healthy. Just kind of keep them in my pocket right now to keep them warm. They've got some attendants along with, looks like some extra queen candy in there, so that's kind of cool. In a priority mail, this little package, I've already opened it up. Picked this up from the post office. These bees came from Rock Creek Farms in Bessemer, Alabama. They look pretty good. I'll be putting it in this hive. I got a little rock on top. A lot of beetles in there.
well.